A magnificent
This is
strike
my
into the
project
crowd.
channel video
India lift the
for
World
the
Cup.
ICC World Cup. I am Saran Karthick of Class 8. I am presenting my project challenge video. My project challenge name is Robotic Rain Protector. Inventing day by day. Steps to do. World Cup is coming. Pillars of this project. I have used Arduino software to create this project. The program. Good morning viewers, my name is Saran Karthik. I am going to explain my project challenge video. A project challenge video consists of the top view of the stadium, and the top view of the stadium consists of the chair represented by pasting a sellotape. My robot has a starter sheet, microprocessor, Bluetooth controller, 2 pins, motors, wheels, batteries, etc. My robot is a very special one. For example, when there is a match going on between two teams, it is a very serious match, but suddenly the rain came. The audience lost their hope and entertainment, but to regain their hope and entertainment, my robot comes into action. It does not mean that my robot comes to fight with the rain, but it actually means that my robot goes forward with the rain cover and covers the whole stadium. I will show you a demo of covering the whole stadium. See here, I have now plugged the robot. See, when the lights have been turned off, it goes forward. And when the lights are being turned on, it goes backward. See here, the robot goes backward and it disappears the rain cover. Now, I hope you understand that this World Cup will go very interesting and my robot may come into action. Thank you viewers, bye. Interesting to know what is my program is. I will explain you. First, I have given all the integers, that is LMT1, that is pin number 5, LMT2, that is pin number 6, right motor, that is right motor 1, that is 11, right motor 2, that is 10, and the LDR value. And in the void setup, I have given what is the pin mode for LDR value. That LDR value will be read as digital read and the value will be sent to the next program. If LDR value is equal to high, that means when the sunlight comes, when the sunlight is received by the LDR, it will show as high. So when there is high, it should go reverse. That means it will go backwards. And if it is slow, that means else, it will go forward. And I have given wide forward, wide reverse, wide left, wide right, wide stop left, wide stop right, etc. And this is my program. Thank you.